It's a wet and windy, miserable day, so we're going to stay in and make some Christmas cookies.
Hello everybody. So we sometimes make these as emergency Christmas presents. Put them in a box and a bit of ribbon and they look really nice. So we've got the ingredients over here. Couldn't be simpler, this one. Basically all you do, throw it in a bowl, give it a stir and put it in the oven. So let's see how it goes. Right, so what we're going to do, now anyone who knows me knows that I'm not one for measurements and I haven't got any scales, so I always wing it a bit. But what I'm going to do today is going to do by cup, just in case you want to follow the recipe. So what we'll do is we'll get a cup of fruit and nut mix. Some lovely nuts in there. A good mix of nuts, pistachios, cashews, all sorts of nuts. Put the nuts in, and then we get a cup of oats. Throw that cup of oats in. Then we've got some mixed seeds, so we'll put the mixed seeds in. I like raisins, so put quite a few of those in, and a few clever cranberries. Always makes it nice and Christmassy. Few of them in. I'm not really bothered about the amounts in that, so just throw a few in. And then we've got the orange and lemon peel, just something just to give it a bit of flavour. Just throw a little bit in, however much. And then the final thing to go in is 1 egg. So I'll throw that in. So we give it a nice stir and see what texture we've got. It should just all come together, hopefully. It's not too difficult. So when you've got it together, it should all be just a little bit of a moist mixture. Now some people will put honey, but we don't do that because we try and keep the sugar down in our ingredients. But if you want to add honey or a bit of cinnamon, that would be quite nice. Now if you've got those nice little cookie formers, you can push it into a cookie former, but as we haven't got those, what we're going to do is do a bit of a sort of ad hoc way of doing them. So I'll just show you what I do. So because we haven't got cookie formers, what I do is I get a baking tray like this and just pull it out. When you're like us and you don't do that much cooking, you have to make do and mend really. You can't go out buying things all the time. So I'll put it out onto the tray like that, and now I'll get it into sort of the thickness that I want the cookie to be. So that looks like a nice big cookie as it is, but that'll do. So I'll push it down like that. So I'll get a glass, whatever size you want, and what I do is I just cut the cookies out like that. And they more or less work. That's one, that's two, three. So if you So, once you've got the cookies ready, it's time for the oven. So I've preheated it at 180 degrees C and I'll cook them for 20 minutes. So they're looking good, ready to go in the oven. Right, let's see what we've got. Looking smelling very nice, so there we go, some nice little cookies. So we'll put them on there, let them cool, and then we'll see if Dawn likes them. So here we go, Dawn.
It tastes quite nice actually. Very nice, they're still warm. lovely.
Oh, I always get excited when I'm eating my own food. Good consistency. Really, really tasty.
Well, that was a fun afternoon that went down really well with a cup of tea. Thank you for watching. Bye.